Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm the owner of Elite Furniture Moving. It's a local moving company here in San Diego. And today I want to go over some of the experiment that we did about lawn care and lawn maintenance service that we try to provide for our customers. And I want to go over some of the marketing, of examples of the marketing that we used, and also the total numbers for the sales and profit. All right, so this video might be helpful for some people who start with home service businesses or just some business owners that are already working in the home service business, as well as the people who are interested in marketing. Okay, so let's start. Here we have my handy spreadsheet. So we're gonna go over some of it right now. All right. So the main reason to start an experiment was to receive more profit from working, helping the audience that we already know, which are homeowners. So we thought if we know how to um, try to work with the homeowner audience, we try to help them out with something else besides moving, and we would expect to gain some profit of it. All right, so we had the start date of this. It was the 1st of January, finish date on the 1st of May. We did in sales for the 5 months, we did about $8,300 in sales. It was in expenses, which is about $3,000. Um, we also did purchase a truck that was purchased for $3,500, and in the end of this uh, experiment, it was sold for $1,800. So a total profit of $3,695 for 5 months, and that is not including the owner wages. So as you can see, basically it was not much of the profit, and yeah, let me go over why. So let's take a look at the examples of the marketing materials that we used over here. Okay, so we did use about approximately 2,500 of the door hangers that were put on the people's doors in different areas of our San Diego metro area. We went to some of the further areas, some of the nicer areas with the bigger lawns. We went to some of the areas that had smaller lawns, but they were closer to our yard, which would make us, be more efficient with our route. So we did different. We tried to, do different, go different places and put these door hangers basically in different places. So we approximately used 2,500 of these door hangers. On the other side would be like a number and their little quote. There was the quote number was handwritten on the back of the door hanger, and it was our email and phone number. See if they call it. Um, with this, we attempted this a little earlier in the year. We didn't have much results on it. We maybe had one or two calls on the 2,500 door hangers that we used. We tried to change the design a little bit. We um, tried to change the size, the pricing. For some reason, we couldn't crack the code of how to get a good door hanger. So also we did a handwritten door hanger, which would be like just a sticker we put on top of this door hanger, which would show like a handwritten text. Say we just moved in the area. We try to, help people with lawn care, but it seems like we didn't have no calls on that too. Yeah, so that's about the door hangers. The next one would be a EDDM. That means every door direct mail by post office, US Post Office. So this would be the mailer that we did send um, for probably around 1,000 people. We were able to track at least 500 of it. Very likely we sent 1,000. So I just put 500 and 1,000. So that would be the front of the door, the front of the basically direct mail, and they will have a phone number and our little QR code that will take people to the landing page where they can type in their information. So we sent about 1,000 of this door hanger.